The design module is where you'll create your designs. There are several options for design creation, all with the goal to complete the entire design process inside of 5 minutes. Using the filters at the top will help you locate a starting template. A style template is the construction of the style and not the specific materials that will be used. Out of the over 400 templates, we'll help you select a group of preferred styles to help you be more efficient. The only information you need to enter are either the inside dimensions or the content dimensions. There are reasons to select one over the other. All of the other fields will be filled in based on your own preferences. Of course, all of your defaults can be changed for each design. You can import your customers or add them manually. The customer field is not required, but it allows you to include markups, discounts, and any notes that may be important to this order. Your default base configuration is initially applied, but by checking and unchecking these boxes, you can change the base and lower assembly construction. For each style family of templates, you can create up to 5 different groupings of materials and rename them. I changed 2 of them as an example. This gives you the flexibility to build using the same construction and have 5 additional options to quickly customize it with the materials you want to use. There are many other selections you can make here, all based on your preset settings, but let's click on the arrow and generate this design. Crate Pro takes about 5 seconds to design your crates based on your default settings. Let's review. We're starting on the Container tab, then Top panel. Like other parts of the program, you can also set where you want to start when you generate your design. Whether ply, corrugated or timber, sheathing is always on the left and cleats on the right. When using the same template repeatedly, even with different dimensions and material groups, you'll find you and your staff become quicker and more efficient in reviewing, cutting, and assembling these crates. Changing any material is simply a matter of clicking in the field and selecting another material. We pre-fill over 400 common crating materials, broken out by categories, with their dimensions, weights, waste percents, cut and install times, to make it faster to get your installation configured, but you can modify and even add your own materials. Importing your costs or updating costs via a list helps you very quickly manage changes to your costs and pricing. Crate Pro 6 only needs 5 seconds to go through your settings and the template you selected to generate your cut lists, costs, selling prices, if you set this up, customer quotes, and much more. Remember that we'll help you get your initial configuration all set up via live online sessions with you or staff that wants to learn. This is just a brief overview of the design module. I didn't go over adding packing materials, adding images, one-click updating your costs and generating material usage lists, plus the other benefits of being able to have multiple staff manage the entire crating process. We're happy to create more videos, using metric materials, which will ultimately be posted online. Don't forget that we include downloads of SketchUp 8 so you can quickly generate drawing and layouts of your designs. On the support page of cratepro.com, search for CAD and you'll be able to access the short training videos on how our customers utilize this included program. There are lots of other features that you might benefit from, but may choose to start using in segments. Robust and personal support and training is part of your license purchase for year 1. After which, ongoing annual maintenance is optional but highly recommended. Anything that you need more clarity, send an email to support@cratepro.com and we'll get more information and videos out.